Ilungu leqembu MK Party ePhalamende nelabe liyisikhulu sakwa I-Eskom Brian Molefe leluleke inkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi I-Eskom ukuba iguqule ugesi wakuleli ube ngowekhadi ezweni lonke okufaka phakathi nomasipala. Lokhu ke kuzonqanda ukungakhokhelwa kwagesi. Lokhu kuvele ePhalamende namhlanje ngesikhathi uNongqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela Kgosientsho Ramokgopa ne-Eskom belandisa ngokusebenza kwalenkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi.
What will it take to put the whole of South Africa on prepaid? Because in that way, a municipality will also have to prepay for its electricity. Everybody in the municipality must prepay for their electricity. So there won't be the issue of 30 days debt, which grows to 3 years, to 5 years, and so on. I know that a long time ago there was a project, in fact it was called the project SMS, Soweto, Midrand, and Sandton, of starting there to make them prepaid in the I think it was distribution division at the time. So what will it take? I mean, is it something that you are entertaining to get the whole country to pay electricity prepaid? In that way, you will also be able to borrow from the people in Sandton and the people in everywhere in the country because they pay in advance rather than in arrears.